college. The 4 most transformative years of my young, impeccably dressed life. And I just keep screwing up right until the very end.
What is going on with you and that boyfriend? Because if you aren't treating him right, another older, curvier woman might.
Luca is just an annoying pest who likes to interfere with me and Zoe.
The only reason I gave her the internship was to help a talented friend.
When I need him, Luca is there for me.
To kiss in bed, naked.
Isn't it crazy how this experience is about to be over?
Des is the first guy since you. I just have conflicted feelings about dating a guy who wears a dress.
Real creepy, man. Just watching your ex across a crowded room.
Luna, this is your Phil.
What happened between us was a one-time thing.
Young girl, oh dream, oh soul, oh dear.
I got a Black Leadership Grant.
Where's the first stop?
University of Johannesburg.
What?
An investor wants to give us money to launch anti-news.
I don't want to be the petty boyfriend that comes between you and your career. But come with me to South Africa.
Launching Anti-News in New York could be the opportunity of a lifetime. But so was traveling to Africa with Aaron.
Out of the two, who can't you live without? Have you guys heard from Zoe?
Zoe Johnson? Where's my Zoza? Last call for Zoe Johnson.
And I wasted my good bra for this.
Hey everybody, welcome to Tifinity TV. If you're new here and you like Grownish, go ahead and smash that like button so you can stay tuned with our show recaps. So let's go ahead and get into the 4th season of Grownish. Yes, guys, we have been waiting and we see Zoe here in her last and final year of college. She's definitely going through some conflicts with Luca and Aaron, of course, and she's also trying to figure out her life. You know, it's hard being young, right? We have so many things going on, so many decisions to make, so many things that will change our lives, and we want to just make sure that we're doing the right thing. And yes, of course, we're going to follow Zoe through her journey with her friends as well. We have Doug, and then, you know, her boy Luca. He's also in the fashion industry with her. She's working very, very hard to try and get her life together, right? But she also has love interests, right? We have Luca, who always is there for her. Aaron, who has been her boyfriend, her boo. And then of course, we always have the girls at home, right? So we have her girl Anna, and we also have Jazz, and we also have Nomi, who's also going through some stuff. But we definitely take a journey or take a trip down their journeys together. Jazz and Doug, we want to see if they get back together. They might. Who knows? Drop in the comments if you think Doug and Jazz are going to get back together. They did go through some things, you know, but they're friends, and we just want to see where that goes. But Jazz is also dating a new guy, and he wears a dress. Yes. How do you feel about that? Drop in the comments how you feel about her new love interest or her new man wearing a dress. She's trying to decide if it's a big deal or not. And I just wonder, do you think it's a big deal? How do you feel about that? Now, Nomi had a baby. She got pregnant during college. And this is Phil. Phil has been around. He's been in and out. He's been in MIA. So she's trying to decide whether or not she wants to allow Phil into her daughter's life. Of course, she gets the advice of her friends at home to see what's the best thing for her child. And I get it. You know, you don't want somebody popping in and out. You know, you want somebody to be there who's consistent in your child's life. And so she's kind of conflicted. Nomi doesn't really know whether to introduce the baby to her father, and so she just calls him Phil. Now here we have Vivek, our wonderful Vivek. He's had his trouble in the past, and Anna, You know, they talk to each other and they end up hooking up, and she's like, look, we only did it just the one time, but as you can see here, there is a little more romantic tension in this scene. And at first Anna's a little conflicted. She's like, wait a minute, I don't want to do this with Vivek. It's Vivek. They live together, they go to school together, they see each other all the time. She slaps his face so hard, and that was probably the best slap he's ever had in his life. And she's like, come here. And next thing you know, they're kissing. So I'm very interested to see how that plays out. Now we have Aaron. He's becoming so popular at school with students' rights and justice and issues and things like that. And so he has definitely taken a leadership role at his school, at college, and he's just becoming more of a grown man. Yeah, he's definitely taken a leadership role in activism. And he shares with Zoe that he has a great opportunity. And she's like, what? So excited, super proud of him, and can't wait to see what happens there. Also, with her new exciting opportunity in the fashion industry, Luca is telling her that she's actually going to be financed and get some money. They're going to drop the bags on her to start making clothes. But she is still conflicted because she doesn't know who she should be with. I mean, you have Aaron, who's been there for her since the beginning. They've been back and forth, up and down. But then she also really loves Luca as well. They have so many things in common. And Aaron tells her, you know, I don't want to be the boyfriend that stops you. Like, he knows that she really wants to be a fashion icon. She wants to make clothes and she wants to be somebody in the fashion world. But the two guys, you know how that goes. You know, they're gonna butt heads. They're gonna show their manliness, if you will. And Zoe just has to make a huge decision. On one hand, she really loves Aaron and she really wants to be with him. She's been with him before, but he's asking her to go away with him to Johannesburg, and it's like, what? Look at her face, right? And so she has to go and see Luca. She has to look at him face to face, of course. I'm sure she has to really decide, because the girl said, hey, you know, which one can you not live without? Like, which one can you see yourself with all the time? And as you can see here, she's very, very happy with Aaron, but she's also happy with Luca. So excited to see how this plays out. But this is the final year of college. I mean, what a celebration. It's finally coming to an end. No more school. I wonder if they're gonna come back for another season after college. So super interested to see what happens with Nomi and her baby, and what career path she takes and everything. But how about the Ferris Bueller moment when they call Zoe's name and she's nowhere to be found? Parents are sitting in the audience, they're looking around. Where is Zoe? She needs to be walking across the stage. Everybody is there. Where did Zoe go? Even grandma is there like, I just wasted my good bra and this girl is not even gonna walk across the stage. And dad is like calling her name, making a scene. Just so crazy. But anyways, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And with that, it's your girl Tiffany. Thanks for watching Tiffinity TV. Until next time.
To infinity and beyond!